Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Everyone see and witness that today the Ahmadi Jamaat has put their best murabbis to debate us. Historically, these are qualified, bona fide, owned murabbis of the Jamaat. They represent the Ahmadi Jamaat globally. Sitting here today, they have nothing from the Quran, they have nothing from the Sunnah against us, which is the Musallamat. These are the Musallamat to us. These are our evidences. They are quoting Shah Waliullah, Ashraf Ali Thanvi Sahib, they are quoting Tahzirun Nas, they are quoting from Biharul Anwar. This is all gaslighting exercise to digress, to divert people's attention from the main issue. What is your fatwa on a person who says that seeing the face of Muhammad Rasulullah is like seeing the face of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani and vice versa? What is your fatwa? What is your fatwa on a person who says the person of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is the person of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? What is your fatwa against a person who says being buried in the feet of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is like being buried in the feet of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani? We say anyone who says Rasulullah for himself after Muhammad Rasulullah is a kafir. Anyone who believes in him is a kafir. This is a fatwa. You are misrepresenting every single buzurg, every single elder you quote it from. It's a challenge. You are misrepresenting every single one of those quotes deliberately. And you're throwing things at us deliberately to take attention away. You have to respond to Brother Imtiaz's questions. What is your position? State your belief. Over to you.